Welcome to the Maverick Hills Cottage 3 floor plan. Let's check this out. This floor plan is 1,400 square feet and the spacious living room. Now the kitchen. This kitchen is fitted with Samsung appliances head to toe. Look how deep that fridge is. I know you're thirsty. Downstairs half bath. Now let's go see the bedrooms upstairs. And this floor plan is 3 bedroom, 3 bath upstairs. Thanks for watching the tour. If you're interested in this floor plan, make sure to call the leasing team. Hope to see you living here soon.